Asia, the largest and most diverse continent on Earth, spans approximately 44.58 million square kilometers, covering about 30% of the Earth's total land area. It is home to over 4.7 billion people, accounting for nearly 60% of the world's population. Asia's geography is marked by its remarkable diversity in physical landscapes, climatic conditions, cultural richness, and political boundaries. This essay delves deeply into all aspects of Asia's geography, addressing its physical features, climatic diversity, ecological systems, economic significance, and geopolitical importance. Asia is primarily located in the northern and eastern hemispheres. It shares its borders with several continents and oceans, which define its geographical significance. Continental boundaries west, separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains, Ural River, and the Caspian Sea. Southwest, the Caucasus Mountains and the Black Sea form the boundary with Europe. Asia also meets Africa at the Isthmus of Suez. North, bounded by the Arctic Ocean. East, bordered by the Pacific Ocean. South, bounded by the Indian Ocean. Marine boundaries. Major seas surrounding Asia include the Arabian Sea, South China Sea, Bay of Bengal, East China Sea, and the Sea of Japan. Asia boasts unparalleled physical diversity, comprising mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and river systems. Mountains, Himalayas. Stretching across South Asia, the Himalayas host the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest at 8,848.86 meters. Karakoram Range features K2 at 8,611 meters, the second highest peak globally. Altai Mountains, found in Central Asia, marking the meeting point of Russia, China, and Mongolia. Zagros Mountains extend across Iran, separating the Iranian plateau from Mesopotamia. Urals, the traditional boundary between Europe and Asia. Plateaus. Tibetan Plateau, known as the roof of the world, it is the highest and largest plateau globally. Deccan Plateau occupies much of southern India, shaped by ancient volcanic activity. Anatolian Plateau, located in Turkey, connecting Asia and Europe. Plains, Siberian Plain. One of the largest flatlands in the world extending across Russia. Indo-Gangetic Plain, fertile alluvial plains fed by the Indus, Ganges, and Brahmaputra rivers. Mesopotamian Plain, the cradle of ancient civilizations between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Deserts. Gobi Desert, a cold desert in Mongolia and northern China. Thar Desert, spanning India and Pakistan. Karakum and Kizilkum deserts, found in Central Asia. River systems. Longest rivers. Yangtze River at 6,300 kilometers, the longest in Asia and China. Yellow River, Huanghe, known as the cradle of Chinese civilization. Mekong, flowing through Southeast Asia, vital for agriculture and trade. Other major rivers: Indus, Ganges, Brahmaputra, Amur, Tigris, and Euphrates. Lakes. Caspian Sea, the world's largest inland water body. Lake Baikal, the deepest and oldest freshwater lake, located in Siberia. Ural Sea, an ecological disaster due to excessive irrigation. Asia's immense size and varied topography give rise to diverse climatic zones. Arctic climate, found in northern Siberia, characterized by permafrost and tundra vegetation. Subarctic climate covers much of Siberia, with long, harsh winters and short summers. Temperate climate dominates Central Asia, including the steppes of Kazakhstan and Mongolia. Desert climate found in the Gobi, Thar, Karakum, and Kizilkum deserts. Tropical monsoon climate, prevalent in South and Southeast Asia, marked by distinct wet and dry seasons. Equatorial climate, found in regions like Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines, with heavy rainfall year-round. Mediterranean climate, common in the Middle East and parts of Turkey. Alpine climate, observed in the Himalayas and other high-altitude regions. Asia is richly endowed with natural resources. Minerals, for instance, include significant reserves of coal, petroleum, natural gas, iron ore, gold, and rare earth elements. When it comes to forests, there are the tropical rainforests in Southeast Asia and the vast taiga forests in Siberia. And let's not forget the water resources. Major rivers like the Mekong, Yangtze, and Ganges provide water for agriculture, industry, and hydroelectric power. Asia hosts some of the world's richest biodiversity hotspots. The Himalayas are home to snow leopards, red pandas, and yak. The Sundarbans, which are mangrove forests in India and Bangladesh, are famous for the Bengal tiger. In Southeast Asia, the tropical rainforests are teeming with species like orangutans, gibbons, and elephants. However, threats to biodiversity include deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change. Asia is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and religions. Population. The most populous countries are China and India, each with around 1.4 billion people. Densely populated areas include the Indo-Gangetic Plain and the Yangtze River Delta. In contrast, regions like Siberia and the Gobi Desert are sparsely populated. Languages. Major language families in Asia include Indo-European, Sino-Tibetan, Altaic, Dravidian, and Austroasiatic. Prominent languages spoken across the continent are Mandarin, Hindi, Arabic, Russian, and Bengali. Religions. Asia is the birthplace of major religions such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. Urbanization. Rapid urban growth is evident in cities like Tokyo, Shanghai, Mumbai, and Jakarta. However, this growth comes with challenges like overcrowding, pollution, and inadequate infrastructure. Asia plays a pivotal role in the global economy. Agriculture. Rice cultivation is widespread in South and Southeast Asia, while wheat is primarily grown in Central and Western Asia. The region is also known for exporting tea, spices, and tropical fruits. Industry. Countries like China, Japan, and South Korea lead in manufacturing and technology sectors. Additionally, oil-rich Gulf countries are key energy exporters. Trade. The continent is home to important trade routes such as the Silk Road, the Indian Ocean Trade Network, and modern shipping lanes. Asia's geopolitical landscape is shaped by its vastness, diversity, and strategic location. Conflicts. The region sees disputes in the South China Sea, tensions between India and Pakistan over Kashmir, and various Middle Eastern crises. International alliances. Key alliances and initiatives include ASEAN, SAARC, SCO, and the Belt and Road Initiative. Asia faces several environmental issues. Deforestation is particularly severe in the Amazonian rainforests of Southeast Asia. Desertification affects the Central Asian steppes and the Gobi Desert. Pollution, especially air pollution, is a major concern in countries like China and India. Climate change. Rising sea levels pose a threat to island nations such as the Maldives. Conclusion. Asia's geography, with its unparalleled diversity and complexity, is a defining feature of the global landscape. From the towering Himalayas to the vast Siberian plain, from the bustling cities of Tokyo and Mumbai to the remote steppes of Mongolia, Asia exemplifies contrasts and dynamism. Understanding the continent's geography is essential for appreciating its role in shaping human civilization, economic progress, and global geopolitics. Its challenges, including environmental degradation and population pressures, underscore the need for sustainable development and international cooperation.